Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie have agreed to try to settle a bitter $350 million legal war over their French vineyard out of court. The war between Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie was the longest and most bitter celebrity divorce in living memory, but just 2 weeks after the lawsuit, in which Pitt was accused of bullying and illegal actions regarding the vineyard they jointly owned, it was clear that peace might finally be on the horizon, as both Pitt, 59, and Jolie, 48, agreed to mediation that could settle their disputes. Documents filed last week in the vineyard dispute show that both stars agreed to mediation as an alternative method of resolving the dispute over Chateau Miraval, rather than taking the case to court. According to legal documents, Jolie was willing to mediate over the vineyard throughout the process. Jolie also said she was willing to attend a settlement conference. What's more, it turns out that Pitt appointed an interim administrator of Chateau Miraval in an attempt to resolve the war between himself and the Russians, to whom Jolie sold her share of the vineyard. That deal caused the current confusion. The move, proposed by Pitt, is aimed at protecting the highly successful wine business he helped build with French winemakers. Famille Perrin, an independent figure, will come in to assess the winery and how it is run and hopefully, in time, facilitate negotiations between Pitt and Nouvelle, the investment company his ex-wife sold to Stoli boss Yuri Scheffler. A French source confirms the move, in connection with the dispute between Nouvelle LLC controlled by Stoli boss Yuri Scheffler and Mondo Bongo LLC controlled by Brad Pitt. Chateau Miraval and its director have requested and obtained the appointment of the Commercial Court of Draguignan France as interim administrator to allow the company and its director to continue to develop the business and its important partnership with the Perrin family until such dispute is resolved, in the interests of Chateau Miraval, its directors, employees, partners and subsidiaries. Pitt and Jolie purchased Chateau Miraval, a 1,300-acre estate in the south of France, in 2008.